With VexCode V5 blocks, you can program your V5 robot to do many things. Every project begins with a When Started block. There are many different blocks that you can use to program your robot. Let's add a few blocks to our project. Blocks can easily be stacked together, rearranged, and deleted. You can also use V5 motors and sensors in your project by adding devices in the Devices window. Adding a device will add blocks and categories to your project's toolbox. Need help with a block? Getting help is easy. Select a block to learn how it works. Another great place to learn is with example projects. Exploring example projects is a great way to learn how to use different blocks and behaviors. Once you're ready to try your project, you can download and run it on your V5 robot brain. To learn more about VexCode V5 blocks, take a look at the other tutorial videos. Have fun!